Hey, it's Scott Fleischman here at Nucar Automall of St. Albans, and we're answering your questions in this week's You Ought to Know. And we're here with sales manager Matt Logan. Matt, of course, has his own segment on our social media channels, Matter of Fact. You should check it out. Very funny stuff. We got a question from Shelly on our Facebook page, and she asks that she has a 2023 Jeep Compass Limited, but she can't figure out some of the features of the navigation system.
So we're sitting in a Grand Cherokee Limited. It looks a little different, but it's going to work the same way, so we're going to work our way through this one. Easiest thing to click is the button that says Apps. From there, on the left side of the screen, there's going to be a couple different options, one of which is literally going to say Nav. You'd give the Nav one a click, and then you'll have a little icon here that says Navigation. First is you want to hit the little star on the side, and what it's going to do is it's going to add it to your favorite screen. So if you're looking at your infotainment system, now on the top you'll see an All section and a Favorite section. So if you hit the favorites, now the navigation's in there. This way you can never lose it. As far as opening it, just give the navigation button a click, and you're in your nav system. Powered by TomTom, but it's just called navigation, at least in the system. The thing with Google Maps, it's only as good as your phone connection is. Some vehicles these days have Wi-Fi capability, so if you have that in your car, you can obviously hook up to Wi-Fi. The nice thing with the in-car system, it's always pretty much set up. It's GPS enabled, it's actually using satellite feed, so it'll never really go out on you.
Some great advice, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below this video, and we'll answer it on a future You Ought to Know. So come see us and find out why everyone loves a new car.